There are a few customers who buy milk at a shop every day. The shop owner realized that 900 milk packets are sold daily after analyzing the past 3 years of data. After studying the data, the shop owner concluded that the shop needs to have 900 milk packets each day to avoid overstocking or understocking. This process, where the shop owner makes informed decisions by interpreting and analyzing shop data to benefit the business, is known as data science. Data science is a broad field focused on extracting knowledge and useful insights from data. It combines elements of computer science, statistics, and domain knowledge to analyze large amounts of data to find meaningful patterns. Data scientists are responsible for collecting the data, gathering data from all the sources, cleaning the data, refining the data into a preferred format for analysis, and interpreting data, looking for patterns like if customers who buy milk daily might also buy sugar to solve problems and make informed decisions to improve the business. Do you know technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and natural language processing use Python? Python has many libraries that support these technologies. If you missed my previous video on why you need to learn Python to future proof your skills, please watch it. Also, please subscribe to the Target45 channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to others and it would be helpful. Thank you.